In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your Wix website with your Etsy shop so you can manage products more easily and streamline your online business. First, log into your Wix dashboard. This is your main control center for your website. Once you're inside, look for the Apps section in the left-hand menu and click on it to open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type Etsy integration by WebGoal. This app is designed to connect your Etsy shop to your Wix store so your listings and order information can sync between both platforms. When you find the app, click on it and select Add to Site, then follow the installation steps. Depending on your plan, Wix may require a Wix Stores or Premium plan to use this integration, so make sure your account is upgraded if needed. Once the app is installed, open it from your dashboard and go into the settings. Here, you'll see an option to connect your Etsy seller account. Click Connect, log into Etsy, and grant permission so the app can access your shop data. This allows your Etsy listings and orders to sync automatically with your Wix site. And that's it. Your Wix website is now integrated with Etsy, helping you manage products more efficiently and saving you time switching between platforms. It's a great way to keep everything organized while growing your online business. Thanks for watching and happy selling!